Will we ever witness a building taller than Mount Everest? Are there practical limitations, such as funding and real estate constraints, that hinder the creation of mile-high towers or taller structures? In the pursuit of architectural greatness, why are humans fascinated with tall structures?
Today, we answer intriguing questions about our fascination with tall structures and the race for architectural supremacy. Throughout the course of human history, our fascination with height and the quest to build ever taller structures has been a testament to our ingenuity and ambition. The Egyptian pyramids, towering over the desert sands, with their majestic presence, were the first great architectural marvels that captivated the world. These colossal structures, built thousands of years ago, set the stage for humanity's unending pursuit of height. As civilizations flourished and empires rose, so did their desire to leave a lasting mark on the world. The ancient Greeks contributed to this grand endeavor with their monumental temples, such as the Temple of Zeus at Olympia and the Parthenon atop the Acropolis. These awe-inspiring structures, reaching for the heavens, symbolized the power and prowess of their creator.
The Middle Ages brought forth towering cathedrals and castles, standing as testaments to the religious devotion and military might of the time. Structures like Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris and the mighty castles of Europe showcased humanity's ability to defy gravity and construct monumental edifices. As the world entered the modern era, technological advancements propelled us to even greater heights. The Eiffel Tower, rising majestically above the streets of Paris, became an icon of engineering brilliance. Its iron framework represented a turning point in the art of construction, opening the doors to new possibilities.
In the heart of New York City, the race for architectural supremacy began nearly a century ago. The Bank of Manhattan rose to claim the title of the world's tallest building in 1930, only to be surpassed by the iconic Chrysler Building a few months later. But the Empire State Building, standing at a staggering 381 meters, ultimately took the crown in 1931. This era of architectural horse racing marked the beginning of a relentless pursuit of greatness.
Fast forward to the present day, and the race continues to unfold on a global scale. The Taipei 101 Tower in Taiwan dethroned the Petronas Towers in Malaysia in 2003, but its reign was short-lived. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai surpassed all expectations in 2010, soaring to a record-breaking height of 828 meters. Now, the ambitious builders in China are gearing up to construct a mind-boggling 220-story tower, aiming to exceed the Burj Khalifa and push the boundaries even further.
Rising from the heart of downtown Dubai, the Burj Khalifa stands tall, reaching for the heavens. Its story begins in 2004, when the Dubai government envisioned a tower that would redefine the city's skyline and showcase its boundless potential.
Construction commenced in 2004, and for 6 years, over 12,000 workers from around the world toiled tirelessly to bring this vision to life. Through sheer determination and meticulous engineering, the Burj Khalifa was born, standing as a symbol of Dubai's rapid growth and modernization. Designed by the renowned architectural firm Skidmore, Owings and Merrill LLP, the Burj Khalifa boasts a striking and elegant design. Its reinforced concrete core and 3 wings extend outward, each floor meticulously crafted to perfection. The exterior is adorned with glass, aluminum, and stainless steel, shimmering in the sunlight. The Burj Khalifa offers breathtaking observation decks on the 124th and 148th floors, providing panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see, from the vast expanse of the city to the glistening waters of the Persian Gulf. Every angle captures the essence of Dubai's grandeur.
The Burj Khalifa is more than just a building. It's a testament to the limitless possibilities of human ingenuity. Its towering height, reaching a staggering 828 meters, showcases the advancements in engineering and construction technology, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. But is there an end in sight? Are there limits to how high a building can truly reach? To find out, we turn to the experts in the field of skyscrapers.
According to architect Adrian Smith, the elevator and transportation system present the predominant challenge. As buildings get taller, the vertical transportation becomes increasingly complex. Structural engineer William Baker describes the structural limitations can be overcome. With innovative designs, such as the buttressed core system used in the Burj Khalifa, we could easily surpass its height. A kilometer, a mile, and possibly much more. Architect Tim Johnson adds, imagine a building with a hollowed base, similar to the grandeur of the Eiffel Tower. It could provide the necessary stability and support for towering structures, allowing us to go even higher. These visionaries and their teams are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They dream of buildings that pierce the heavens, reaching heights beyond our wildest imagination. The Council on Tall Buildings and Urban Habitat, a leading authority on skyscrapers, posed a thought-provoking question to architects and designers. What is the single biggest limitation preventing the creation of a mile-high tower or taller? The answers, compiled in this video, shed light on the practical challenges, from funding to real estate constraints, that currently hinder such endeavors.
However, amidst these limitations, the potential for even greater heights remains tantalizingly close. The advent of new technologies and materials, along with innovative structural systems, offers a glimpse into a future where mile-high and even higher buildings may become a reality.
Architect Tim Johnson quotes, "We proved that it is physically and programmatically possible to build a 1.5-mile tall structure. If circumstances were different, we could go even further."
As our understanding of architecture evolves, the limits of what we can achieve are being constantly pushed. Theoretically, a building taller than Mount Everest is within reach, with wider bases and advanced structural systems. It's a question of when, not if, we will witness the birth of such a colossal creation.
Structural engineer William Baker quotes, "To determine an exact limit, further research and calculations would be needed. It's a challenge I'd love to explore with the next generation of architects and engineers."
So, the race for the skies continues, with each new generation taking the baton to reach new heights. The question remains, how high will our aspirations soar? Only time, ingenuity, and perhaps the investment of a brave graduate student will reveal the answer. The tallest building ever conceived is yet to be built.